Hello, my name is Shankri Nair and I'm the founder and CEO of Home Comforts. I'm here seeking a 250,000 investment for a 2.5 percentage equity stake in my company. The product that I've chosen to innovate is a wardrobe. We all know what does wardrobe mean. A wardrobe is a tall piece of furniture which is usually in a bedroom that has space for hanging clothes. It is usually equipped with drawers, a mirror and other devices. A wardrobe stores clothing that needs to be hung or worn every day. As technology develops, there are a lot of many types of wardrobe have already existed in the market such as freestanding wardrobe, sliding door wardrobe, walk-in wardrobe and many more. These kind of wardrobes are advanced and gives a modern touch to our house. But the real question is it advanced enough? Like, does all this new technology based on wardrobes solves the common problem of a person? My answer is no. Even though the wardrobe is developing each time, but still people are facing such problems on their daily basis. Now, let's see what problems people who has wardrobe faces on their daily basis. Most of the people doesn't know about this. The wood products and furnitures that we daily buy usually contains a chemical called formaldehyde. This chemical can cause a common allergen and irritant. Other than that, exposure to this chemical can actually cause cancer. So this kind of chemicals harms human life, which many of us don't know. The next issue people are facing is most of the time, even though it's daytime or nighttime, our wardrobe would still be dark inside. Like most of the time, we need a phone's flashlight's help to look through in and to take our things. Like we don't have our phone 24 hours in our hand, so it's kind of hard to look for things every time when it's dark. The following issue that people have wardrobe faces on their daily basis is our things get stolen or taken. Like usually they are only password padlocks, password locks and locks with keys to keep our wardrobe safe, which most of the time doesn't work cause we can easily hack it or even break the lock. Some wardrobe doesn't even have any kind of locks, which is not safe at all. Our things can be taken or stolen easily and we wouldn't be able to store important things. The next issue people are facing is there are basically not enough space to keep our jewelry or small things in our wardrobe. Like yes, wardrobe usually have drawers, but it's still not safe to keep it inside and at the same time it won't look tidy. So we have to buy a jewelry box or we have to keep it at our dressing table, which will not look tidy and it's not well organized. The next problem is a normal wardrobe is hard to move without at least two people's help. It will be very hard for them if they want to move out, switch places or to even clean it, especially for students and housewives. Another common problem that people face is they won't have enough space to fit their trolley bags, handbags or even bigger bags because of smaller space which can only fit clothes and many more which are smaller in size. So they have to keep it somewhere else, which makes the room look untidy and kinda clumsy, or they have to buy a shelf or extra rack to keep those things, which will cost them extra money. So to solve all this problem, here is a product that I created. This is a small draft of how my product would probably look. So my product is unique and different from other products because I've added a lot of features to it which can actually solve the problem that I've stated before this. The first thing that makes my product stands different from other products that are actually in the market is I'm going to use formaldehyde free wood. As I said before, this chemical can actually cause cancer, and the furniture that contain this chemical release the potential harmful chemical in the air. So I'm using this material, which is formaldehyde, because it can reduce the amount of toxins in everyone's home by opting storage solutions which do not use this chemical. This can be more safer to people comparing a normal wooden wardrobe. The next unique thing about my product is it has lights. It's not just regular lights, but these are automatic lights. Yes, these lights will be on when the door is open and it will be off when the door is closed. This will happen because basically the doors have sensor, so that will help to proceed this process smoothly without any problem. By having lights, people no longer need the help of the phone's flashlight to take things anymore when it's dark. As I search through the internet, I can notice that there are only fingerprint door lock, cabinet and drawer lock already exist. So I've decided to attach a fingerprint lock with my product, which is more safer compared to a normal password padlock or locks using keys. Like, you can keep your things inside without the fear of it will be taken or stolen. Like, you can also keep your jewelries inside it. My wardrobe is going to have tiny racks which we can keep our earrings and necklace. It would be a small space which can fit our jewelry, so we don't have to need to buy an extra jewelry box, or we don't have to keep it at our dressing table, which makes it look untidy. So other than that, my product will also be having wheels, which is called heavy duty roller wheels, which is made for bigger furnitures like wardrobe. Like, also by having these wheels, people can actually move it whenever they want to clean it, or when they need to move out. So they don't need many people's help. And my product is also going to have some space below which can fit trolley bag, traveling bag and also handbag. We don't have to waste our money on buying new, and our room will look more tidy. Now let's discover the parts of my product. So my wardrobe will be having two sliding doors which will be attached with a fingerprint lock, as I mentioned just now. Other than that, my product will also have a small rack which also be attached to the wardrobe as well, to keep our jewelries and smaller things. My product also has lights in it which will automatically on when the door is open and off when the door is closed, because the sensor in the doors can actually make it work. Moreover, my product has a bigger space below which can fit bags like trolley bags, traveling bags and also handbags. My product also has normal racks to keep your clothes, and my product also has hanger holders to hang our clothes in our wardrobe. My product also has wheels, which is heavy duty roller wheels, which is suitable for bigger furnitures like wardrobe. So now let's see the features of my product. Let's start with the dimension of my product. The height of my wardrobe will be 6 to 7 feet, which is something similar compared to a normal wardrobe. The depth of my wardrobe would be 50 to 80 cm, and the width of my wardrobe would be 90 to 300 cm. Now let's see the property and the shape of my product. The side profile of my product looks thick and rectangular at the same time, and like overall my product has a rectangular body shape. So my product is available in lots of colors, which is black, white, grey and also brown, which more people prefers. Other than that, we also have vibrant colors, which is red and yellow, which is not that common in other brands' wardrobe. So the material that I'm using for my whole product is obviously formaldehyde free wood, which reduces the amount of toxins in our people's home by opting storage solution that do not use formaldehyde, which is a common chemical in wood products and also furnitures like wardrobes. The front sliding door are made of lacquered glass panels which will reflect ambient light, and I'm using the heavy duty roller wheels for my wheels of my product, which is more suitable for bigger furnitures like wardrobes. The target buyers for my product are family, housewives, and also college or university students. And the price that I've targeted for my product is around RM 400 to 1500, which is a reasonable price since my product has a lot of useful features and also functions. So where can we purchase these items? Well, you can purchase at the nearby furniture shop in global market, of course, and nowadays people prefer to buy through online, so you can also purchase this through online apps such as Lazada and many more. Hope you all like the idea of my product and support it. Thank you.